Holy mo. Kenyan teenager castrates self. Sorry. Kenyan teenager chops off to what? Live a righteous life. Like this or like that. Penis chopped off. You say what? Yeah, 18-year-old Timothy of Waya of Navakholo community in Kenya chopped off his penis to live a righteous life. Why? Ina did not ask you to chop that off because he gave it to you for a reason. And you and I mean, man and woman, know why God gave that to the man. Anyway, back to the story. This guy chopped off his penis because, according to him, it bothered him. And ladies never accepted him, if you understand what I mean. Okay, let me just tell you. It's either the brother ain't fine or his thing isn't long enough. Okay. Where did I stop? Okay. I hope no child is watching. Anyway, immediately he cut his penis. A smart chicken like this one right here jumped at the opportunity to eat a human penis. What? Ew, gross. But this right here was the face I made when I read the story. Timothy, why? You know how useful this thing is for you and I made man and woman. After receiving first aid treatment, he was transferred to this hospital where doctors immediately responded and started fighting to save the remaining penis. Timothy promised the doctors that he was going to cut the remaining penis off if discharged. Thinking about it, he cut it off with this blooded thing. They tried saving him, but they couldn't because the chicken ate it. Yeah, this chicken had eaten it. And right now, the world, including Francis behind the camera and myself, are still looking for the chicken that ate Timothy's penis. No, penis. Penis. P-E-N pen is penis. Timothy, please, you gotta save the penis. We gotta save Timothy's penis. If you're with me, say, ahoo, I'm out, please.